All right, everyone. So now we are going to do our review page. We're going to answer some questions about the article we read this week. Number 1, what is the paper about? We have these. Is it thanking hospital workers, growing food at home, or Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation? What was the title of the article we just read? So the title of the article, our paper, was about Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation.
Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation.
Number 2, who started a foundation with her family? Who? Was it Amy Bocker-Steady, Alicia Keys, or Christina Koch? Who is the person that we focused on in this article?
Amy Bocker-Steady.
She is our main person in the article this week. Number 3, where is Amy Bocker-Steady from? Orlando, Florida, Phoenix, Arizona, or Dallas, Texas? So feel free to look at your article and see where she is from, which place. Amy Bocker-Steady is from Phoenix, Arizona.
Phoenix, Arizona.
So we live in California. She is from a different state. She is from Arizona. Number 4, what does the foundation help people play? Volleyball, soccer, or golf? So Amy Bocker-Steady's foundation specifically helps people play this sport, which is golf.
Golf.
It's a sport that she enjoys playing. Number 5, what did Amy get to pay for college? A coupon, scholarship, or gift card? So we didn't actually read this part in our article, so I'm going to tell you. When she went to college, the school gave her a scholarship.
Scholarship.
Which means that they helped pay for her college because she was very good at what she did, which was golf. And number 6 asks, what is golf? Is golf a craft, a board game, or a sport? It is a sport. So let's review our questions one more time, and I'll just say the answers. So number 1, our paper was the Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation. Amy Bocker-Steady started a foundation with her family. Amy Bocker-Steady is from Phoenix, Arizona. The foundation helps people play golf. Amy got a scholarship for college. And golf is a sport.